In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a Tradingview subscription. By the end, you'll navigate straight to the Tradingview pricing page, compare the Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate plans, and confidently choose your subscription or start the 30-day premium free trial before you commit. First, go to the pricing page. Open your browser and head to Tradingview's website. On the home page, click Pricing in the top navigation. If you're already on another Tradingview page, you can still find pricing in the menu. When the pricing section loads, you'll see the subscription options clearly laid out. Next, compare features to choose the plan that fits your needs. On this page, you'll see Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate. The comparison grid under each plan highlights the differences, including charts, indicators, and alerts. Take a moment to scroll through the table. Charts per layout show how many charts you can view on the screen at once. Indicators per chart tell you how many technical tools you can add to a single chart. Alerts are automatic notifications that trigger when your conditions are met. These three areas are the main limits that affect day-to-day use, so match them to how you actually trade or analyze markets. Now, scan across each row and check how the plans scale. Essential is designed for lighter use. Plus increases capacity for more active users. Premium is built for heavy charting and alert workflows. Ultimate is the top tier for the most demanding setups. As you review, keep your typical session in mind. If you often stack several indicators on one chart, look at the higher indicator limits. If you like monitoring multiple markets at once, focus on charts per layout. If you rely on automated notifications, pay attention to the number and types of alerts included. Hover over any info icons you see to reveal brief explanations, and scroll to the bottom of the comparison to catch any additional notes that could matter for your workflow. Once you're clear on what you need, decide on your plan right from this page. You can stay on the plan card you've chosen and use the visible button there to move forward. If you want to experience the full feature set before paying, use the free trial option next. Now, try the 30-day free trial. Tradingview often provides a 30-day free trial for Premium, so you can test advanced features before buying. On the Premium plan card, click the button that starts the free trial. This will activate the trial pathway and let you explore higher limits for charts, indicators, and alerts immediately. Follow the on-screen prompts you see to begin the trial. The site will guide you step by step. This is the safest way to confirm that the premium features match your needs without committing upfront. As you begin the trial, take a moment to verify that the features you compared are available to you. Open a chart, add multiple indicators, and set a few alerts to confirm everything works the way you expect. If you were considering Essential, Plus, or Ultimate instead, you can return to the pricing page at any time and review those options again. The goal here is simply to make sure you've tested what matters most to your workflow. At this point, you've reached the pricing page, compared the Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate plans based on charts, indicators, and alerts, and started the 30-day premium free trial if you wanted to test before committing. Your Tradingview subscription choice is now set up and ready to use, and you can proceed with the on-screen checkout whenever you're ready to buy. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.